All right, well, we're starting on our second project tonight, and we've been working a little bit on this sail panel here. And back early on when we first started doing rust repair, this section here had to be cut out. And of course, you know, this whole drip rail all the way over was rusted out, and it has a, you know, strip of metal that we welded in all the way down. And this area back here, we welded it too fast and warped it and kind of made a mess of it underneath there, and this whole panel got to the point where it was kind of oil canning a little bit, so it had some waves in it. So we just decided to go ahead and skim coat this whole thing to get it perfectly flat. So we're just working on that a little bit, and it's getting there. Just doing a little bit on the edges and finish blocking that out and be ready for primer again. But the project we're about to start on is we're going to make some fender brackets that go on the inside here and allow this fender to, you know, be secured. And we had those. I remember taking them off, and they had seam sealer and rust all over them, and we did something with them, and I can't remember if we cleaned them up or what, but we don't have them now, and I've looked around, can't find them. So it's a simple little bracket, and we're going to make some. This is some 1/8 inch hot rolled stock that you can see has got quite a bit of surface rust on it, and we're going to make a couple of cuts here with this line and that line, and this line here was a previous one that we'd measured something upon, and make our two brackets out of that. So we're going to go ahead and cut those now. Alright, we got the two pieces cut out. Now we've got to cut across here, and we can't do that in our chop saw. It's too small of a piece, so we'll have to do that by hand with the with a grinder cut-off wheel. So we'll do that now. Alright, well, we got our brackets all cleaned up, and went ahead and drilled the holes in them while they were straight, because we've got to bend them in a 90-degree angle, and it'd be a lot harder to drill the holes like that. So, and from the factory, those holes were oversized just to allow some adjustment room, so we're going to have to probably widen those out a little bit more, but we'll see what it looks like when we get them on there. Alright, well, there they are, all bent up. We used the vise and went ahead and put a 90-degree bend on them, and we'll go ahead and bolt them on the car now. Alright, got the bracket bolted on the car, and we just need to do a little fine tuning on it. The hole needs to be located a little bit more that way, so we're going to open the hole up even more, and you can see where you get to the bolt on the back side. Once the fender's on, you no way to get to it except for through that hole right there on the inside of the car. So this little project's a wrap. Got to fine tune them, get them bolted on, and we'll be good to go.